Welcome to Venus. Imagine a planet where a day is longer than a year. That's Venus. This strange world is full of surprises. Venus is our closest planetary neighbor, but it's a very different place from Earth. On Earth, we measure time by days and years. These units of time are fundamental to our understanding of the passage of time and the rhythm of life on our planet. A day is how long it takes our planet to spin around once. This rotation is what gives us day and night as different parts of the Earth face the sun or move into its shadow. A year is how long it takes Earth to orbit the sun. This journey around the sun defines our seasons and the annual cycle of life. Earth spins like a top, constantly rotating on its axis. This spinning motion is crucial for the alternation of day and night. It takes 24 hours to complete one spin, making our day. This 24-hour cycle is divided into daytime, when we receive sunlight, and nighttime, when we are in the Earth's shadow. We orbit the sun in a big circle. This orbit is not a perfect circle but an ellipse, which means the distance between the Earth and the sun changes throughout the year. It takes 365 days to complete one trip around the sun, making our year. This annual journey is responsible for the changing seasons, as the tilt of the Earth's axis affects how sunlight reaches different parts of the planet. Venus rotates incredibly slowly. Unlike Earth, which completes a full rotation in just 24 hours, Venus takes its time. This slow rotation is one of the most fascinating aspects of our neighboring planet. It's like a dancer who takes forever to turn around. Imagine watching a ballet where the dancer's pirouette seems to stretch on for an eternity. This slow, graceful turn is akin to Venus's leisurely spin. One rotation of Venus takes a whopping 243 Earth days. To put that into perspective, while Earth experiences nearly 8 months, Venus completes just one full rotation. This extended day-night cycle creates unique conditions on the planet's surface. That means a single day on Venus lasts longer than an entire year on Earth. Imagine living in a place where your day is longer than your year. This unusual phenomenon is due to Venus's retrograde rotation, which is opposite to most planets in our solar system. Imagine celebrating your birthday on Venus. You'd have to wait 243 Earth days just for the planet to complete one rotation. Birthdays would be a rare and extraordinary event, making each one incredibly special. You might have to wait more than an Earth year for the sun to rise and set on your special day. The slow rotation means that sunrises and sunsets are prolonged, creating a surreal and almost dreamlike experience. This extended twilight would paint the sky in hues we've never seen on Earth. While Venus spins slowly, it orbits the sun much faster than Earth. Unlike Earth, which takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, Venus takes about 243 Earth days to spin once on its axis. This slow rotation is unique and fascinating. Venus whips around the sun in just 225 Earth days. This rapid orbit means that a year on Venus is significantly shorter than a year on Earth. Imagine celebrating your birthday every 225 days. This means a year on Venus is shorter than a day on Venus. A single day on Venus from one sunrise to the next lasts longer than an entire Venusian year. This unusual relationship between day and year lengths is one of the many mysteries of this planet. Venus is a hot and toxic planet. Its surface is dotted with volcanoes and covered in thick clouds of sulfuric acid. The landscape is harsh and unforgiving, with temperatures soaring to extreme levels. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The greenhouse effect on Venus is so intense that it keeps the surface temperature around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the sun. Exploring Venus is a challenge. The extreme heat and pressure make it difficult for spacecraft to survive for long periods. However, scientists are determined to study this planet to unlock its secrets. But learning about it helps us understand more about our own planet and the universe. By studying Venus, scientists gain insights into atmospheric processes, climate change, and planetary evolution, which can be applied to Earth and other celestial bodies. Space is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Each mission to Venus and beyond brings us closer to understanding the vast and mysterious universe we live in. The quest for knowledge continues, driven by curiosity and the desire to explore the unknown.